Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Rahu in the 5th house. What all results Rahu gives when it's there in the 5th house of a Lagan Patrika, that is your birth chart. So first of all, we need to understand what Rahu is. Rahu is a planet which gives illusion to a person. Rahu is an obsession in a person's life. Rahu is a greed. What person wants to achieve, he becomes very greedy about it. He can go to any extent to achieve that thing in his life because Rahu is only the head, not the body. So he won't be able to, he doesn't know whether his tummy, his stomach is full or not. He will keep on getting, So that makes a person very greedy in his life about that placement where Rahu is. And then Rahu is a foreign item. Rahu shows foreign settlement and unique items are shown by Rahu. This is a malefic planet. So when Rahu comes in the 5th house is the house of intelligence. 5th house is the house of dharma. 5th house shows your speculation, your intelligence. 5th house shows. It shows your love. Towards your spouse, towards your partner, or towards your parents. So Rahu is basically, when comes in the 5th house, the person becomes very obsessive towards the traits of the 5th house. So what happens here is the person becomes very obsessive towards their love affairs, and here Rahu doesn't even let the person to remain in one relationship. The person gets start getting agitated after some time. Like Rahu, after some time the person will start looking for other relations. This placement doesn't let a person to enjoy his married life because he gets the habit of looking around and seeing others, because Rahu will not get satisfied here with one affair. He always wants more and more in his life. His greed, his want of more will not let him enjoy the married life of a person, and will not let him enjoy with one person or one spouse or one partner. So he will always look for another partner. So that will create a rough relation in his married life. This is also a placement wherein Rahu makes a person a speculator. He will get into speculation businesses, and these people will always try to get instant money. They will play lottery, or they will do any kind of unethical things also if Rahu is sitting in a malefic houses or giving the result of malefic houses. If Rahu is in the nakshatra of Saturn, or if Rahu it's in the nakshatra or the star lord of Ketu, then the person will become very obsessive. And here it's possible that person, in order to get more money through speculation, or they will try to get short money, they will end up losing it all. Whatever they have, they will lose all that if Rahu is sitting in the nakshatra of malefic houses. Or if Rahu is in the nakshatra or the star lord of the planet which are giving the results of 6th house, 8th house, 12th house, or 5th, 8th or 12th house, then the person will not be able to earn any penny, any money through speculation businesses. Rahu here, this placement also helps a person for astrology and research work, because this increases, this helps a person to rise their intelligence. The person will always try to know the unknown, because Rahu is a foreign thing, foreign item. So the person will go in depth, to do his research, and they are the good researchers, because from this placement Rahu aspects your 9th house and the 1st house also, and 11th house too. So this is an actual placement for a person to do higher learning. 9th house is the house of higher learning. 5th is your intelligence. And 1st house is the house of self. And 11th house, because through higher learning, the person will be able to gain good in his life, because 11th house is the fulfillment of desires or gains. So this will make a combination of a person who can do wonders by learning or by doing research work, or through education they may rise high in their life. Because Rahu here also shows foreign education. These people can go abroad to study, because 9th house is also the house of long travel. So this is an ideal placement for a person who can, become good in their learning, astrologers or researchers, or those who are into creativity, or those who are into computer science or computer engineering. Those who are working in science fields or media related work are also shown by the 5th house placement. Or when Rahu is here, then imagination and creativity of the person, artificial engineering, or these kind of things wherein lot of thinking is required, lot of intelligence is required. Here Rahu will help the person to rise above everyone. Okay, so this placement also gives a person addiction. The addiction can be of alcohol or any wrong addiction the person can get into if Rahu is placed in the 5th house. They can be alcoholic, they can be into drugs also. So if Rahu is again placed in the malefic houses, giving the result of malefic houses, or Rahu is sitting in the star lord of malefic houses, then the person will have eccentric mind even. I have seen the placement of people, those who are eccentric, very eccentric in nature, when Rahu is giving the result of 2nd house, 1st house, 4th house, 5th house, or giving the result of 8th house, 12th house, or 5th house, then person always have this habit of thinking wrong all the time. They are very negative people. They use abusive language too, especially when it is combined with the 2nd houses. The 2nd house results, or the planet which is sitting in 2nd house is also malefic, and 5th house, then person will become abusive in nature. The person would have habit of drinking, so this is the placement of Rahu in the 5th house, and this is my understanding on Rahu in the 5th house. If you like the video, I'll request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that I'll keep on making these videos for you. Thank you all. Namaskar.